Good afternoon. My name is Mitch Scharf. I'm here at MarineMax Kent Island in Maryland, and I'm going to go through a new trade of ours, a 2022 Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard. You know, this is one of my favorite Sea Ray models. It's got the size, it's got the luxury, and it's got the power. This boat has twin 250 horsepower Mercury Verado motors. It's got the JPO system, which means there's a joystick, sky hook. Back here on the swim platform, we have a manual platform that will drop down into the water that you can sit on. You know, what's really nice about this boat is that it has the twin lounger option. So you've got twin loungers here, little cooler here. You've got a built-in cooler here, stereo controls, nice walk-through, wet bar, built-in cooler, refrigerator. This boat has an inverter system, so you could work from the boat if you wanted to. We've got a beautiful water sports tower. This came with the matching accent panels on the outside, tower speakers. This boat is loaded up. It has almost every option you could possibly get from the factory. And one of the best things is that it only has 22 hours on the motors. So it was barely used. You've got SeaDek matting throughout. You've got a nice big head compartment here with a vacuum flush head, upgraded head, nice sink as well. You've got nice port lounger here with flip-up bolster. Turns into a lounger. This also becomes a lounger and forms your double-wide helm seat with flip-up bolster. This boat was equipped with a Premier stereo upgrade, Fusion stereo, digital dash with the big Simrad screen. You've got a Simrad VHF radio down below. As you can see, here's your joystick and controls, tilt steering. Boat has trim tabs. As we walk through the windshield, you do have a bow screen door here that'll pop out, cut off the wind. Nice big bow with some armrests. You'll have a windlass with your upgraded stainless steel anchor. You have a sprayer here at the front as well as at the back of the boat. This is a great opportunity. A new boat like this, equipped exactly the way it is with the 2022 Shorelander aluminum roller trailer, would cost in excess of $300,000 if you were purchasing the whole package new. And so at this price, I think it's a great opportunity, and hope you come to see it. Thank you very much.